So we're gonna walk through a demo and show you how your different machines get saved to our servers, as well as all the custom settings that get applied specifically to those machines. So your machine profiles are gonna be in the machine menu. You can see we've got Xcarve Pro and Xcarve set up. We're gonna go ahead and set up a new machine, Xcarve, and go through all of the settings. So then once you've got your machine set up, you can access this back through that machine menu. You can see we've got another Xcarve, but now we have two different Xcarves, so you can actually edit your machine properties by going to Edit Machine. So not only can you edit the work area, but you can also edit the name. I'm just gonna put Jack just because why not? And we're gonna hit Save. So now when you go in here, you can see that we have our Xcarve Pro, and Jack. Some of the properties you can edit after you set up the machine, so your actual work area, your spindle, which you can adjust right here. And then when you actually go through the machine setup, you will tell how the spindle is controlled, the type of belts that you have, as well as the accessories, which you can also edit afterwards. Now you can also uninstall your machine in that exact same menu as well. And then what's great is regardless of the computer that you actually log on to, you're gonna have your different machine profiles actually show up. Now, another great part about this is your cut settings. So maybe you have a really old Xcarve and maybe you have a brand new, fully upgraded Xcarve. And because of that, you can run the machine differently. So your cut settings are actually gonna change. So what's also nice about the custom machine profiles is they're also gonna save your custom cut settings. So if I go in here and set this to something higher, to 70, with a plunge rate of 20, and a depth of pass of 0.03. So then once you actually carve and decide those are cut settings you want to save, you can save your cut settings, and you can see it's actually going to show up by machine. So then if you go to your custom cut settings in your toolbox, you can see that we have this cut setting saved for that bit and material. And from within that menu, you can actually change which machine that is applied to. And for us, we have this applied to Jack. Machine Profiles is another feature inside of Easel Pro, which is going to make your overall CNC experience easier.